Nganibingelela kakhulu babukele emakhaya kwimandeni lockdown house party. You know what time it is, guys. You're rolling with Usicelo Wakazungu bafethu. Umanziye noGwabini unyama kayishe. Haha, niyaziye ukuthi what sipiki isikhathi manje bafethu. Before kwimandeni lockdown house party si move on dance naniyazi sihlezi shy number ku blind kumnandi kunjeyana. Namhlanje ngiphethe usisi wase Live Life, ngiphethe i-team yase Live Life ezohlala nathi sitshela ukuthi yini esiphathele for umphakathi wethu wangakithi wasemandeni and moving forward. Siswami sesibusisiwe Madonsela, unjani siswami?
Ngiyaphila kakhulu bhuti, unjani?
Ngiyaphila kakhulu.
Ngiyaphila mina.
Kakhulu ngiyakwamukela kwimandeni lockdown house party. Mase nje siqale nje usikhele phezulu ukuthi uma i-Live Life ingani since sekunentsha entsha probably abangazi nge-Live Life. What is i-Live Life about?
Ngibonga kakhulu ke bhuti. Masikhuluma ngo-Live Life sikhuluma abantu abasha.
Sure.
U-Live Life is all about abantu abasha, ikakhulukazi as an organization we are focusing to abantu abasha from the age of 10 to 24.
Okay.
As ngisebenza ka-Live Life ngisebenza njengomuntu oyi-regional oyi-program coordinator.
Okay.
Where we're looking at programs within the organization, which is Live Life.
Oh yeah.
So ngisebenza the whole district.
Okay.
Ilembe district. But office lamli is based eMandeni. Yes. Is where ngababazi inhliziyo yethu ijule khona.
So manje ubheka thina ubhekelele thina iyouth yaseMandeni.
Masikhuluma ngo-Live Life kahle hle sinje ukuze umuntu omusha ongawazi uLive Life akwazi uku-understanda ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. Masikhuluma ngo-Live Life sikhuluma nge-organization yabantu abasha.
Oh yeah.
Eyafonywa ngo-1999.
Alright.
Eyayiqalwa abantu aqala babebizwa ngama-Scamso Groundbreakers. Abantu abafana nabo uThandiswa Mazwayi, abantu abafana nabo Proverb, abantu abafana nabo Mroza, abantu enibaziyo, abantu abafana nabo Judge Sosibo, abantu abafana no Sep. So bonke labo bantu they were part of Live Life. Ibona babeqala iprogram ebizwa ukuthi Groundbreaker program, but ngaleso sikhathi they were called ama-Scamso Groundbreakers.
Oh yeah.
So uLive Life whereas wayifonywa because kwakubukela isimo sika HIV ngaleso sikhathi.
Okay.
Ngendlela u-HIV afika galela ngayo endaweni eSouth Africa. So uLive Life wayifocus kakhulu as an HIV prevention organization.
Okay.
And a campaign ebizwa HIV prevention campaign. La esasikhuluma khona ukuthi let's talk about ama challenges that's facing us njengabantu abasha. Imaphi la ma challenges? Mase siwatholile la ma challenges sisolve kanjani sindawonye singabantu abasha.
Sure.
So sikhuphuka nayo iprogram izifika namhlanje la sikhuluma khona sithi we make sure ukuthi abantu abasha they are leaders of their lives. Looking ukuthi future of young people. So kubalekile kakhulu abantu abasha bazi ukuthi sisukaphi.
Impela usisibusisiwe ukhuluma ngama programs kanye nama abantu succeedile kulama programs. Makhuluma ngama programs, what programs is Live Life on about or ahlelele kwaletha la emphakathini wethu waseMandeni?
Okay, ama programs ethu esinawo sinama programs asuke ethinta abantwana ngokwama ages abakuona, njoba ngishilo ukuthi sikhuluma kakhulukazi abantwana from the age of 10 to 24, which is in school no out of school. Asisho ukuthi masona 26 suvalekile.
Okay.
But ifocus kakhulu kulabo sibabiza ngokuthi bakusoye besemathubeni noma bekwi high risk yokuthola ama social ills.
Okay.
Sine ma programs abizwa nge-Health for Life program. I-Health for Life program is a healthy sexuality program. Umntwana kumele azi umzimba wakhe, azi sexuality yakhe. Kuze azokwazi ukumelana nama challenges asuke ezofacana nawo ngesikhathi ekhula njengomuntu omusha. Sibe ne-program ebizwa ngokuthi i-Living My Life. I-Living My Life i-program la sidila khona ne-inner part yomuntu. Ufuna ukuzazi what are your values, what are your qualities, what are your goals as a young person, so that you'll be able to structure impilo yakho.
Sure.
So kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi yena ke umuntu omusha abe ingxenye lama programs ukuze mase sikhuluma ngo gender based violence uya understand ukuthi u gender based violence nje awukusho ukuthi uma ungafundile awube ingxenye yawo. Ungathinteka ngezizathu ezahlukene, akusho ukuthi ungaze ureshwe wena noma ube ushawe noma ube kwi relationship abusive, but siyathinteka singabantu abasha makulimala umuntu omusha because of gender based violence. Silwisana kanjani nayo lonto ama programs amayelana nalokho? Sibe ne program yaka media, umedia wethu ke ubroad sine la kusebenzisa khona nama community radio stations eMandeni eY Center ka Love Life there is also a radio station esebenza khona but now we partnership neSiyathuthuka FM ukuze ama programs abantu abasha akwazi ukuthi enzeke aqhubeke sino Facebook sino Twitter sino YouTube channels la engage khona abantu abasha daily basis sinama programs afana no sports sinama programs afana ne arts and culture sinama programs asuke efana nama services ukuthi abantu abasha kuyo yonke into asobebhekana nayo balithola phi ke manje usizo ukuze impilo zabo zibe semqeni ukuze impilo zabo zibe futuristic.
Ngiyathola siswami. So ikhona impumelo kwi youth enibonayo so far is lama program beneficial to youth yala eMandeni?
Yes, but as an organization sisebenzisana nomphakathi sisebenzisana nezikole sisebenzisana nama stakeholders wonke ahlokhona around kuma communities eswakhele noma sisebenza kuona siyakwazi ukutrack iprogram ukuthi kena ke ngabe iprogram yethu iyayenza ni impact to abantu abasha siyenza ama evaluations of each programs sisebenza nabantu abasha so ifeedback esithola khona iyona esinike indication ukuthi kahle kahle ngabe siyayenza ni impact or asiyenzi impact kwabantu abasha at all yini esingayenza as an organization to change the situation or make it better masiqhubeka nama programs ethu if we review ama programs unyaka nonyaka
maningi ama program wabalile ngegaba zawo kanjani nanokuthi adlala yiphi indima emphakathini la yaseMandeni. But what I want to know, since ilokhuzane Live Life is NGO, who's funding this? How are you guys managing ukuthi nithole imali to keep these programs running, so forth?
Ama funders ethu Tina as an organization sinama funders that we call them ama major funders, which is government. Government there is sports and recreation that is funded ama sport programs within the organization consists about the development of our sport kubantwana. At the same time sine fund eqhamuka Department of Health, National Department of Health. Bonke lama funders aqhama from national office their National Department of Health and Sports and Recreation. So lama programs njengoba iqhamuka khona kunendlela ekumele siwa running ngayo because of ifund. Remember when we are funded uhamba ngokwefunda ukuthi yona expecteni kunena through ama programs ethu esuke sinawo and then sinama funders amanye asuke eqhamuka eceleni asuke efunda mhlambe for a certain time mhlambe for a year, for 2 years, for only 5 years. After you said OTDHS program or NFPA. Those are the programs. Also, minor funders, which is stakeholders, where we are as an organization, like your municipalities in a local level or in a provincial level, like your companies in a local level or in a provincial level. So, lao bantu also mabaitan the program. They also fund the program yetu kuzikwazi ukurun.
All right. Siyathola kakhulu. I hope Babugele Makaya, they're getting a lot of information from you right now. But Siswami, you talked about a program, Yoksiza Abantu Besfazane and all that. And right now we're in a time of need. We're going to Abantu Besfazane, Bashwamezega left and right. How would you encourage umuntu sifazane or semncane or okhulile ukuthi awajone lama program ezelana kunina athole usizo and moving forward and nanabantu abatholakala ukuthi bayenza lezi zenzo lezo zokuhlomeza kwezingane nabantu besifazane? How would you encourage ukuthi leyo nto leyo iphele?
Before ngene kakhulukazi embuzweni wakho manje funeke nazi ukuthi abantu abasha bazi ukuthi ke as an organization asi non-profit organization sisebenzisana nabantu abasoke bekhona sibabiza ngama stakeholders. So we partner ama programs ethu nabo because thina as an organization we don't have that power ukuthi senze ezinye izinto shooting amamazi asikwazi ukwenza beyond. We need the assistance yabo. So ama programs ethu is where we refer abantu abasha masikhathi si implement ama programs tothi sithola ama challenges and abantu abasha basuke sikwazi uba refer from social development where they need to social development
sure.
or they need to health or they need to umasipala or they need to NYDA.
Yes.
So sisebenzisana nalabo bantu labo. In order to answer your question, since sibhekane nesihlave esikhulu kangaka sokuhlukumezeka kwabantu abasha ikakhulukazi le phathi abantu besifazane nezingane la behlukunyezwa khona berashwa bebulawa ngesihluku.
Yes.
Sina iprogram ebiza nge-gender based campaign esuke sinayo njengo Love Life sisebenzisana kodwa nalabo bantu because they are experts abanye babo kwi program esuke sidila nayo.
Okay.
So njengo social development njengo Department of Health amaphoyisa bonke labo bantu sibadinga on board ukuze sikwazi ukuthi silekelele ukuthi abantu abasha mabangabi usisulu sokuthi yena ke bahlukunyezwe.
Okay.
So ngaleyo ndlela sihambile emphakathini senza ama awarenesses through our social media, we senza ama awarenesses through post or through ama walks around our communities to ensure ukuthi abantu abasha they know ukuthi iziphi izinto amele bazibuke before baze babone ukuthi noma babe ingxenye yokudlengula noma ingxenye yokuhlukumezeka ukuthi akuhlumeza aqale la sekufanele ngishawe khona noma sekufanele ngibulawe khona noma kufanele ngireshe khona kodwa kuningi omele umuntu omusha akubuke kuqala indlela umuntu akubuka ngayo indlela umuntu akulandelela ngayo indlela umuntu akhuluma ngayo nawe zonke lezo zinto zifuneka uyiqaphele kungazi kufike esigabeni esibi kangaka nathi njengabazali sikwazi ukuthi akwazi ukukhipha ingane ngo6 yothenga isinkwa esitolo efuna yanqamule umgwaqe u3 before afike esitolo aphinda abuye so ufuneke nathi singabazali emakhaya sabaqoquzela ukuthi mabanga bathuma abantwana sekusihlwa futhi mabaqinisekise ukuthi umntwana uyamgada mayiphuma ngo1 ezonqamula ezimobeni noma ezohamba ibanga elide eliyindle uyabona ekusemadlelweni funeka umntwana aqaphele ukuthi kufanele ngabe usekuphela 30 minutes wabusela makuphela 30 minutes engafika umntwana ufuna uqala uwalk in nawe uyobheka ukuthi umntwana ngabe usasendleleni noma asatholakala noma unenkinga esikoleni so kube ne communication between i-origin yomntwana lapho uma khona nala umntwana azophelela khona ukuze sikwazi uavoida ukuhlukunyezwa kwabantwana noma ukulahleka kwabantwana njengoba sikhuluma nje emacambini kunomntwana olahlekile sekuphela isonto lonke lahlekile so nje yonke leyo nto ifuneka uma umzali akumele kuze kuphela usuku kuphela lesibili umntwana ungamazi ukuthi ukuphi usheshe uyireport izinto akusawulindi 24 hours sesi reporter immediately umntwana makuphela ama-hour ambalwa engabonakala ukuze ukwazi ukuthi kuthatheke isinyathelo kuse-early umntwana angaze alimale noma sikwazi ukupreventa ukuthi umntwana angalimali.
Ngiyabona sisibusisiwe before ngokudedele I would like to know ukuthi ababukele emakhaya from information onayo from isite la Love Life and what you just shared ngokulahleka kwabantu kwezingane nawukuhlukumeza abantu besifazane how could they get rich wena bangakuthola kanjani?
Bengasithola through ama social medias ezu.
Okay.
Siyatholakala ku Twitter as Love Life NGO South Africa or ZA.
Oh yeah.
Siyatholakala ku Instagram as Love Life NGO South Africa. Siyatholakala futhi ku Facebook as Love Life NGO South Africa. Siyatholakala futhi ku YouTube. La ikakhulukazi na ku YouTube siphinde sibe kube nama dialogues asuke thinta all those topics asuke thinta abantu abasha including this gender based violence sibe nama experts asuke ezoba ingxenye yalawo ma dialogues. At the same time siyatholakala through our website www.lovelifengo.org.za. so siyatholakala nakhona abantu abasha nje abasicinge sikhona yonke indawo at the same time sinabantwana esibabiza ngama groundbreakers that are placed in different clinics around South Africa. So uma ufuna ukwazi kabanzi ngabo uzosithola through our social media noma ujoyine iwebsite yaka health ebizwa ngeBwise health website lapho usifuna ukwazi kabanzi ngezinto esuke ithinta impilo yakho nokuthi uya kanjani nokuthi usizo ulithola kuphi.
Alright. Sibonga kakhulu sesibusisiwe ukuthi ube nathi la kuhlelweni lethu kule Mandeni Lockdown House Party this Sunday. We appreciate ukuthi ufikile ukwazi ukusenzela isikhathi sakho. Siyabonga kakhulu. Babukele emakhaya. Sibonge kusisibusisiwe who was chilling with me here uSicelo wakazungu esitshela kabanzi bafethu ngezinto ezenzakala la eMandeni bafethu nani nazi bafethu kubhlungu lana ukuze ukuthi khona umntwana olahlekile. That's not right, guys. Asiyekeni ukwenza izinto ekanjalo. Moving on bafethu, other than sad news, we also bring exciting stuff bafethu. We got dope lineup. We've got dope artists to come through to the show and give us exciting performances as bafethu. You know, Sicelo wakazungu, Mandeni Lockdown House Party, ngiyanthanda. Now we're going to the performances. Sharp. Siswam.
Bonke thina kakhulu.
Sure.